Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos, videos from Android phones. So there are two steps here. The first one is to go to your gallery, and in the top here you can see albums. Just click on it. Now scroll, and here you can see there is option deleted items. Click on it. And after clicking it, here you will find all of your deleted photos and videos. You can just restore it within 30 days because after 30 days it will expire. So now the second step is just go back and you can just install an app from Play Store. So go to Play Store and in the top search bar search for Disk Digger, and now just install this app. There are some other apps like Disk Digger where you can recover your deleted items. You can also try that. Now just go to this app. Now here you can see search for lost photos. Just click on it. You need to just give some permissions. Go to settings and click on allow. And now after a few moments it will show you the deleted photos of yours. Now just select the photo that you want to recover like this and click in the bottom middle recover. Now just select the file where you want to save this. You can also do the same for the deleted videos. So guys, that's how you can recover it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.